Hello and welcome to ArchAdemia 2.0. This short video series is to showcase the brand new platform that we've custom built at ArchAdemia. The main purpose of this is that we've had a lot of members sort of asking us, there's so much stuff on offer, how do I navigate it all? So the main purpose is to showcase the new platform to members, but if you've been intrigued by ArchAdemia in the past, you haven't quite made that leap, well, this is going to showcase absolutely everything that is on offer. So, starting with the dashboard, after you sign up to a membership, you get asked a series of onboarding questions, and those onboarding questions then feed into a bespoke learning path. That learning path gives you your first 10 courses, and very recently we have surpassed 60 courses. I will preview some of those courses very shortly. So you've got this in your dashboard and you can collapse it, or you can even dismiss it as well once you've finished them. And soon, again with the ability of being able to code the thing ourselves now, soon we are going to roll out an idea where you can kind of curate this learning path yourself as well. Then all of your progress, course progress, we are going to expand this to other areas of progress on the platform. But for now, all your course progress is tracked, and we have 10 core categories. Each course is tracked per category, and then you've got an overall progress there. And again, going back to this where you can curate, well, hopefully, soon we will be able to curate the learning path. We also don't want to cap people where, say you're not interested in parametric design. Well, we don't want that to hurt your overall progress and how that ties into other features of the platform as well. At the minute, it's static, but we are going to expand this so then you can kind of turn that off if it's not of interest to you. Then we've got a little quick link section at the bottom, lessons, resources, your progress, Toolkit, podcast, Corb, which I'll get onto, and a brand new community forum. And as of recording this video, we've just launched the guide to architectural model making, physical model making. I was never properly taught this when I was at university. So pretty much, I think that is quite a unique course that. Anyway, you can continue learning like on Netflix or what have you. So that is the dashboard. And sorry, before I do finish, you've got the ability to, during onboarding, you can select a background and a profile picture. But while you're here, you can tap these icons and you can replace them at will, your profile picture and your background. And again, that feeds into other parts of the platform.